How to update Google Photos on iPhone. So if you're using the Google Photos app on your iPhone and I want to update or upgrade the Google Photos app to the latest version, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're not of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to update Google Photos app on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Now once you open the App Store, you need to search for the Google Photos app. Click on the search button here and search for Google Photos. Then click on the search button. You should see the Google Photos comes up here. Google Photo Backup and Edit. Then if there is an update awaiting you, just go ahead and click on the update button to update the Google Photos. Once you tap the update button, you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple ID password. See that? Then go ahead and confirm your Apple ID password. Now, once you confirm your password, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right and hang on. Then the App Store will confirm your Apple account password, and once your Apple account password is confirmed, then you should see the Google Photos app upgrading to the latest version. So this might take a couple of seconds, and while the app is updating, you will not be able to use the application on your iPhone. So if you try to open the Google Photos app, you'll be told that the app is upgrading, and if you try to open it, then this can easily pause the Google Photo app update. You see that? Installing. So you just need to hang on for the Google Photos app to download and install the latest variant on your phone. So that is basically how to update Google Photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.